Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is manufacturing of AK-203 assault rifles begins. The Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited or IRRPL has started producing AK-203 Kalashnikov assault rifles at Korwa in Uttar Pradesh. Korwa Ordnance Factory in Amethi has produced the first batch of 7.62 mm Kalashnikov AK-203 assault rifles. The first batch of 5,000 AK-203 rifles will be delivered to the force by March. The model combines excellent ergonomics, adaptability to different shooters, and high performance characteristics. With the launch of this series of assault rifles, high quality and modern small arms will begin to enter service with India's defense and law enforcement agencies. The factory's capacity makes it possible to fully equip the personnel of other law enforcement agencies in India with AK-203 assault rifles. Significantly, IRRPL targets 100% production of AK-203 rifles in India. The company may also increase the output and upgrade its production facilities to manufacture advanced rifles based on the Kalashnikov assault rifle platform. Now, information about IRRPL, that is Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited. It is a joint venture between Russia and India. It was set up in 2019. It was set up jointly between erstwhile OFB, now Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited, and Munitions India Limited of India, and Rosoboron Export and Kalashnikov of Russia. The full-scale production of the rifles is expected to be reached within 2 to 3 years.